I'm going to go ahead and show you a shortcut for using the weighted mean formula for the example that I did in my previous video. So instead of having to do the weighted mean formula by hand, which is not all of that complicated, but your calculator does have the built-in feature to find a weighted mean, to do that you want to press your stat key. And you're going to want to put the x values in list 1 and the weights in list 2. So I want to select edit. And again, this problem is about the average monthly balances for months January through March. And the weights were the days per month. Okay, so in my list 1, I'm going to put the average monthly balances. So for January, I had $637.25. For February, I had $595.12. And for March, I had $815.37. And then I want to right arrow over to list 2, and I'm going to treat that as my frequency list or my weights list. Now, again, it would be incorrect to find a simple arithmetic mean for list 1. In other words, I don't want to add those 3 values and divide by 3 because they don't have the same weights or the same number of days per month. So I'm going to put that in list 2. So for January, I had 31 days. For February, I had 28, assuming this is not a leap year. And for March, I had 31. So to get the calculator to do a weighted mean, you're going to want to press your stat key, right arrow over to calc, and we want to select one variable, statistics. Now, this is where we want to tell it where our weights are in this frequency list. The list part is where the x values are. So I want to down arrow and tell the calculator I want the frequency list or the weights to be list 2, which again is a second key. If we were finding a simple arithmetic mean or a simple sample mean, we would leave the frequency list blank. And then down arrow over to calculate and then enter. So you'll see this first value for x bar is actually not the simple arithmetic mean. Since we told the calculator there is a frequency list, it treated that list as the weights. So the weighted mean for this problem was 685, and if we were rounding to 2 decimal places, it would be 685.50.